Yeah. So I want to bring this out stick, man. Hey, why like this evening also same? It's for today.
Manuela. Where's this going? And no pineapple. Can you steal a pineapple from the kitchen for me? Now? Yes, I'll put in the cherry, but I still need pineapple.
Hello.
That's obvious. Breakfast? No, not breakfast. Sunsets. Pina coladas.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Hi, how you doing? All good yourself, man. You like pina coladas? Because I hate them. Yes, Mr. Patung.
Yeah, how may I can help you, sir?
How is the day, sir?
It's fantastic, huh?
After 1 month's work going on vacation, I like it, sir.
Not 1 month, man.
No.
So more than 3 months, 5 months.
And me, 1 year, how many months? Only 11 days vacation, yeah? Where are you from? I'm currently in the Seychelles. I'm South African originally.
Are you going
Ready to go.
the live stream?
Live stream. Yes, sir. You can grab a menu as well. I am doing good. Nice to hear that, Tony. Welcome, Tina. I hate it when my purees are frozen. Where's Manuel now?
Today's
I've got 2 drinks ready to go. He's not
sunrise. It's very
Oh shit! Bam, bam, bam. White sugar, yes please. 20 white sugar. And now we shake, yeah. What's up, Kimberly? Set up glassware correctly. One sunset done. What's up, Kimberly? Enjoyment. Best cocktail bar in La Digue, definitely, yeah?
it's Takamaka, right?
Yeah, this is La Digue
Yeah.
Sunset, so it's the Seychelles version of a porn star martini. It's passion fruit, dark rum, a little bit sugar, and that's it. It's exactly the same as a porn star martini minus the vodka. And there we have my doctor's handwriting as the garnish on top. Manuel, can you deliver for me, sir? I can make a very good husband. Why, are you offering me a husband or are you offering me a job as a husband?
Offering you the husband.
You're offering me a husband. I'm too young to get married. Okay, so I got 2 pina colada and 2 sunset. Manny, I asked for a pineapple and you bring me a coconut.
There's no pineapple.
There's no pineapples.
So I leave that thing.
Okay, sunsets for first table, pina colada for beach beds down the bottom. Thank you, thank you. Rossini, which is strawberry, same thing, but I would highly recommend the French 75 if you're looking for a Prosecco cocktail. The French 75 is well worth it, man.
Yeah.
So 1 French 75, yeah?
Yeah.
Which room?
Oh God, it's just this one.
Vaqua.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, aqua.
Aqua. Yeah.
Vaqua 175 and
It was.
Jungle Bird.
Yeah, it was the jungle bird. Sorry, I lost them.
One Jungle Bird and a French 75.
I ordered you?
Yes, sir.
I want a sea brew.
Sebru,
Yeah.
can I have a name for the order, please, sir?
Palis. Oh, Stelios.
Sorry, sir?
Stelios.
Stelios. Means the sun, correct? Or is that Helios? Helios is the sun.
From in Greece, it's different.
Oh, okay. So,
One
what's it?
margarita, one sea brew.
Pizza margarita or
Yeah,
cocktail?
pizza. We can order pizza here.
Can I make a suggestion? Go for the Pizza Victoria, sir. The Focaccia Victoria is the best pizza to have on the beach.
Tuna
for sure.
carpaccio, eh?
Yes, sir. On fresh baked focaccia with fresh tomato,
Yeah,
olive oil,
sorry.
black pepper.
Ριέχει με τόνο, θέλει. Καρπάτσιο τόνο, θέλει. Okay. I recommend. Okay, one Victoria.
For me, that's the best one. Sunken.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
In your hand menus, my friend. 1 Victoria, 1 Sebru, and a double Johnny Red.
This is not double, small one.
But yeah, that's a single. So we run in with
I
my.
know, it's happened not in Greece.
So we got 25 and 50.
Διάθεσμο μόνο διπλό.
Double always.
Double.